They did it again.
That?
They did it again.
Did they?
They got here. Yeah. They got to the Blazor puzzle.
Holy smokes, they're back. How you doing?
Happier than a deck of cards, because this is episode 52, my friend.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm Carl Franklin from AppVNext. That's Jeff Fritz from Microsoft. Hey, Jeff.
How do? Good to see you, Carl.
What you been doing lately?
It's the fall, and that means that right, pumpkin spice is in the air. Kids are back to school, and college football is in full swing. And I have a full schedule of college football games to go to here in the States. So every weekend from now through till December, I'm at a college football game, and I couldn't be happier to be doing that.
Is that because you love Penn State, or is it because one of your daughters is in the marching band?
Both. So I've got tickets to Penn State. We'll be going out to see Pennsylvania State University, their games out in State College, Pennsylvania. And I've also got tickets to West Virginia. My daughter's in the marching band there, and I'll be going to see her in Morgantown, West Virginia.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's jump into last week's puzzle.
Let's do it.
This was a very tricky puzzle, wasn't it?
And as I looked more and more at this was something that it's got that kind of gotcha in it, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. And it looks fine at first blush, but like most of our puzzles, we obfuscate and
no errors, no warnings.
Yeah, no errors,
no squiggle lines.
Basically, if you go to the counter page and you increment, you get a one-way binding here. But if I change this to anything like 7, then it stops updating.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's kind of weird that it kind of works in one state and then in the other state it doesn't work, right?
Right.
But here's the problem right here. Value with an uppercase V, because all of the HTML elements, as far as I know, Jeff, all of the property names start with lowercase, or they are lowercase. They're not even camel case. They're just lowercase.
Yeah.
And so when you see a uppercase property name, it's probably for a component, or something other than the base HTML. Okay, go to the counter page and count.
Sure.
Change to 7, tab off it, click again. Now it binds.
Back in lockstep there.
Back into lockstep. Yes. So you got to be careful of case sensitivity. Now, in this case, because value is the default property of the input element, you can omit the property name and it will use the default property name, but you have to use it in both places here. Right? So just that by itself, without the dash property name, will bind the counter string to the input's default property, which is value.
Yep.
So watch your case, folks. It's very important.
Yeah, case sensitivity creeping into our web markup. All right.
Okay, well, we did have several people write in with the correct answer, and we chose one at random, and that person is, drum roll please, Fred Fagan from Springfield, Massachusetts.
Hey, congratulations.
My neighbor to the north. And for being chosen, his answer being chosen from all the correct answers, Fred's going to win one of these.
Ooh, it's over
a
there.
Mountain-grown Blazor Puzzle mug.
Wow.
Mountain-grown. And Fred is also going to win one of these. A 450 horsepower Blazor Puzzle t-shirt.
It's got that many horses?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah. You could win too. All you got to do is play the puzzle. And here comes another opportunity right now. Okay, so this is a .NET 8 Blazor web app with global server interactivity and basic authentication.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
You brought security into this, Carl.
I know, everybody's favorite topic.
All right, here we go.
So when the user registers, we want to capture their first and last names, even though those fields are not part of the ASP.NET Core Identity default data schema.
Sure.
How can we do this? And you know the drill. When you go to register, you create a new account, you put in your email address, you put in your password, but nowhere in here does it, nowhere in that database or whatever gets written to the database is there a first name and last name. There is a username, right?
Sure.
But it's just one field, and you can't put in, I guess you could put in a string, first name equals this, last name equals that, because it is just but it's kind of a hokey way to do it. I wouldn't recommend that, would you?
No, but there are ways to do this.
Yes, there are. So that is your obsession for the week. Now, if you think you know the answer, please don't post on social media, but instead send it to Jeff and me at blazorpuzzle@appvnext.com before Tuesday, October 8th, because that's when we are going to pick a winner. So,
big winner.
Yeah, you can figure this out. Go for it. And we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Take care, friends.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out blazortrain.com and the .NETshow.com for more great content.